150.
Hi guys, this is Arshad Qureshi again, and today I'm going to, this is an English language tutorial video. Today I would like to explain a very simple shot to you guys to make a shot, how to make a position from brown to blue. I get a lot of questions and queries from even some very good players that how they are unable to hold their white ball after potting the brown ball over the blue spot, over the blue ball. If they need pink or black, blue, pink, black, so when they try to pot the blue, brown, the white ball finishes slightly off center from the blue, and then it's very difficult to make position out of the ball or to the pink. So what's the best way of making position from brown to blue? So there are certain ways. First I'm going to show you how average club players or game-wise slightly junior players play this shot. What they try to do when they are in this sort of an angle, they see it's a very simple shot, but just looking at it, it seems like a very simple shot that we are going to pot it and we are going to hold it on that blue ball. So let's see. So that is one of the problem, that you see the my ball cushion pushes my white ball a bit further fast because the steel cushion table was iron. It slightly pushed it and my white ball is finished here. I wanted my white ball around there. So what is the best way to control this shot? Next shot is going to explain you how we can hold this ball. So I would suggest, even though you can play this shot, I mean, if you can, let me try this shot again with the same slightly slower pace, and let's see if I can control it. Now this time slightly extreme, it stayed there. One more try, and then I'll move to the right shot, which I would recommend that you guys should play. Okay. So this is a decent shot, but again I am slightly short of it, but I can go on that cushion and make a pink ball potable. But again, life gets a bit difficult with this shot. So even with my experience, I know some snooker, with my experience it's difficult to adjust my speed to hold my ball somewhere there, this area. So let's see. So the correct shot is in this level. Whatever level you have, you can try this shot. It's a top pro shot or a senior player shot, because in this shot, the second shot I'm going to explain, is going to hold your white ball, put it in the right line, and it will kill the speed of your white ball to give you the perfect position on the blue to pot pink and the black. So let me show you what I'm talking about. Let me play this shot for you guys. So that's the shot I am talking about. So we are on a very nice position on the pink and on the blue. So all I need to do is to just roll on to the blue shot or slightly screw back here for the pink shot. So I would suggest that I'll just roll it out to just simplify things for me. That's it. You don't have to do anything. People try to screw it back or try to take the force. There's no side, again, there's no side in it. So again, another simple follow for the black. That's it. And no hastiness, take your time. It's very important. Stay behind the shot, stand behind the shot, get in the shot. And that's it. No power shot required. So, can you please pull again? So, the shot I'm recommending you is very simple and it kills the speed of your white ball. So it is, I would suggest that this shot is better than the shot from the top cushion, from the ball cushion to this, because it's very difficult to bowl well. Again, one more shot. That's it. That's a very decent shot, just with a simple screw in it, and now I'm perfectly on my another red, or even I'm on the proper side of the blue. You can see if I want to pot a blue from here, it's very simple to pot blue. Again, one shot we were practicing, and again I'm here for the pink and all that. So I hope this video will help you to improve your mental level by selection or choosing choosing a right shot. There are two rights, right shot and right ball. This is very important. You can choose a right ball, but if you play a right shot on it, wrong shot on it, you will never get the result which you are looking for. So I hope this video will help. Try practicing these shots. If you can send me a few videos, we can share it with our fans. And I'm very glad that you guys are enjoying my century break analysis about top professionals, top amateurs, and even top local club players. And hopefully I'll do more. And if you want to advertise with my channel, I'm available. I've got a Patreon account. I would like you guys, if you can support our channel, our efforts. If you feel like that we're doing something right, my team, then please support us. Or if you want to buy a snooker table, local made, branded, non-branded, even used tables, please let me know. You want to buy a cue, you want an advice, you want a cue, I can help you out with that. Or if you want to organize a tournament or invite me there, I would like to be part of it, and do let me know. Also, if you are doing any event, you want me there, you want me to invite you to a club, I have different clubs. So it's a fun working in snooker, because I love the snooker just like you guys, since you have spent this time. So I hope today's video is gonna give you a lot more clear thinking of selection, a right shot on brown, whether it's a brown and then there's a blue shot, or you are coming out with the brown. There are so many other shots on the brown which we will discuss from time to time. So I hope today's video will help you, but please do give it to practice. Try to play same shot with side, try to play same shot with outside, try to play shot with stun, try to play shot with outside and all that, with screw shot, try to play same shot with screw. So practice is the only option for you. Practice. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye.
$150.